Hi, my name is Clash Inspector today, inspecting this Porsche Cayenne Hybrid for you 2019. As you've seen the vehicle, so far is an it is an excellent example for the used car, recently done by 21,000 miles. So it's a 5-year-old car. Regards to bodywork again is excellent. There's nothing has been touched on it. There are a few like marks, the detailing that's from the sands, etc., and stones on these sections. Excellent alloys. Tires average. That one is the newest 2023. The rest of them are 2021s. So they start perishing and cracking on the thread side as well. Regards to faults, there was some intermittent faults. I will have a look after the road test and I'll put some comments after the road test. Regards to the interior, again, everything is excellent and clean. Suspension is very good. Doesn't look like it's been trashed around. All the suspension is tight. Everything around the boot area as well is clean. However, I noticed as I took this out, I noticed this section is rattling, so I wanted to secure it, but it looks like that stud is missing from there. That's the only thing, kind of naggy thing. Stupid. So yeah, gonna go for the road test. Any drivability issues I will report in a summary. So there's nothing abnormal in the hybrid system too, so good choice. Thanks for using this.